In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to Interregate Pipedrive with Zoom. To get started, open your Pipedrive account in your web browser. Wait for the main dashboard to load so you know you are in the right place. This integration step is important because it helps connect your sales activities in Pipedrive with meetings and communication happening in Zoom, which can streamline your workflow and keep your information organized. Next, look for the Marketplace area inside Pipedrive. Usually, you can find it from the top menu or from an Apps and Integrations section. Click Marketplace and give it a moment to open. Once you are there, you will be able to browse or search for the specific integration you need. Taking the time to enter the correct Marketplace page ensures you are authorizing the right application from a trusted source. Now, in the Marketplace search bar, search for Zoom. Type Zoom and press Enter, or click the search icon. This will bring up results related to the Zoom integration. When the results appear, take a second to confirm that the entry you are looking at is the official or intended Zoom app for Pipedrive. This small check helps you avoid selecting something unrelated. After you find the correct Zoom result, click Authorize. This step tells Pipedrive that you want to connect to Zoom and allow the integration to work. You may see a confirmation message or a prompt about what permissions the app will request. At this stage, the goal is to proceed carefully and make sure you are comfortable with the connection before you allow installation. Once you click Authorize, click Allow and Install. This action completes the authorization flow and starts the installation process of the Zoom integration within Pipedrive. You may see a loading screen or a brief progress indicator as the connection is set up. During this moment, do not refresh the page. Let the installation finish so the integration can be properly registered and ready to use. After the integration is allowed and installed, you will be prompted to sign in. This sign-in step connects your Zoom account to Pipedrive so they can communicate. Enter your Zoom login information when prompted, and make sure you select the correct account if you have more than one. If there is a choice to remember a session or similar options, you can choose what fits your security preferences. But the key is to complete the sign-in so the authorization can complete. When you finish signing in, return to Pipedrive and give it a moment to confirm that the integration is connected. In many cases, you will see a success message, a status update, or the integration displayed in the Connected Apps area. If you do not see confirmation immediately, wait a few seconds, because the integration may need a moment to finalize. To complete the setup, you should ensure the integration is active and ready. Look for any indication that Zoom is now connected in Pipedrive, such as an available integration status or options related to Zoom within your Pipedrive settings. If the installation created any prompts for configuration, you can follow whatever is shown to continue, but the core connection should already be established once the sign-in finishes successfully. That is it, and that covers everything you need to know.